Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect an Ethernet cable to your Windows 11 laptop. So this is going to allow for a stable internet connection. So first, simply locate the Ethernet port on your laptop. So if your laptop doesn't have one, you're going to need a USB to Ethernet adapter. You can literally find these online or buy them at any shop. Next, you can then plug one end of the Ethernet cable into your laptop and the other end into your router or modem. And once connected, your Windows 11 should automatically detect the wired network. You can also check that it's connected by going to Settings, then Network and Internet, and then Ethernet. So from here, you can actually confirm that the connection is active. So after this, your laptop will then use the Ethernet connection, giving you a faster and more reliable internet connection than Wi-Fi. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful. And if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.